Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of ePrime. I am Deidran. The Met Gala goes live to over 1 million viewers. The first Monday of May did not look the same yesterday, but fans of the Met showed up online for a special presentation. The Met Gala was set to be held around the theme About Time, Fashion and Duration as the Metropolitan Museum of Art celebrates its 150-year anniversary. And like many creatives, its chairman and Vogue editor-in-chief Anna Wintour adapted presenting a moment with the Met, a live stream hosted by Vogue magazine.
This is a time of grief and of hardship for millions, and the postponement of a party is nothing in comparison. And yet one thing that we have learned through this difficult time is that we need each other, that community is essential to who we are. If we are to come out of this pandemic stronger and more resilient, we must emerge from it connected as never before.
The live stream looked back at the most memorable Met Gala red carpet moments of all time. It also offered a look at this year's Costume Institute exhibition with 120 pieces, also live performance by Florence and the Machine, as donations were encouraged for the Common Thread initiative.
The Met, like so many other cultural institutions, needs your support. The pain is shared by those that work in the American fashion industry, which has been hit so hard. There are millions up and down the economic scale whose livelihoods have been upended by this pandemic. It's the reason that Tom Ford and I launched a Common Thread.
The Common Thread initiative has raised $5 million to date, shy of 2019's figure that surpassed $200 million through its $30,000 tickets and donations. The Met's exhibition is slated to open come October. That's it for this evening's edition of ePrime. I'm Deidran. Thank you for watching.